What is up, guys? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we're on my 125 two-stroke right now. And we got a crazy video for y'all today. Let's go. We fucking lit. Yo, gang, so like I was saying, we have a crazy video for you guys today. My homie from Cali sent this in. He's like, bro, you want to post this? And I'm like, what is it? He sends me the clip and I am just in awe, bro. Like, this is a wild clip, and take some tips and lessons from this clip so this doesn't happen to you. But yeah, let's cruise for a little bit and then we'll post the clip. Oh my god, bro, that no-hander was probably the longest one I've ever done to date, and I was going in the sand. Sketchy. Alright, gang, so this video clip I was talking about in the beginning of the video, I'm about to show y'all it right now. So buckle your seatbelts and hold on, let me finish this wheelie. Alright, we're good. Buckle your seatbelts and let's play the damn clip. Let's go. Bing. Whoa! Oh, pretty! Oh! Dude. Yo. Whoa! 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 Snap, dude. Yo. So, gang, as y'all seen, homie was trying to do an oppo knee knocker. I'm pretty sure the person who this happened to is a new rider, because the incident of like everything that happened seems to me like a new rider. So he was doing a knee knocker the wrong way, so he can't have his foot on his brake. So that's the first thing I see, and I was like, bro, what are you doing? When I see him doing the opposite knee knocker, I'm like, okay, that's cool, it's cool, but like, you can't hit your rear brake, so you're literally doing a power wheelie, bro. And I didn't see, like, the way he was on the opposite knee knocker, it looked like that's how he does his knee knockers. So when you knee knocker, you're supposed to use your left foot so your right foot can hit the brake. And as you've seen, he was using his right foot on the seat and his left foot was on the peg where you can only shift up and down. And the craziest part is the bike kept going across the road, just like ghost riding it. It's going across the road and there's a person where it's going right towards, bro. It's like some Final Destination stuff. But just remember, always be looking out. If you ain't comfortable with wheel skis, don't be going on ride outs and doing wheel skis, you know? Like, just enjoy the ride. Or if you do wheel ski, make sure that you freaking got it in control, you know? Because there's two types of wheel skis. There's that one where you ain't in control, you're just doing power wheelies, you're not even touching the brake. And then there's this, where you can literally slow it down, bro. You can literally slow it down to nothing. You see, bro, look how slow I'm going. I feel like a goddamn, I don't even know what the hell. Whoa. But you see what I'm saying? There's two types of wheel skis. Alright, gang, let's hit this trail real quick. Woo! Big old jump ski right there. My back tire literally has no tread right now, but we'll make it through it. Wait, y'all seen that, bro? There's just a random tent there, dude. Let's see what's up real quick. Bro, why is there... This is so weird. Hello? It's a random tent out here, bro. Well, that's weird. It's a random tent out here. Bro, that was weird. There's just a random tent, like, on this trail, like, pretty deep in this trail. What the hell? Let's go. A little jump ski. Bro, my back tire is so bald. So flipping bald, but we're gonna get through it. Woo-hoo. Oh crap, there's a lot of water right here. Bro, I thought all the trails were dried out. Also guys, I have a question about my rebound. Should I have it as a stiff rebound or a soft rebound? Like stiff rebound where the bike from the shock, it shoots up quick, or should I have it soft where like when it springs in, it comes up slow? Right now I have it pretty on like a pretty high rebound, and I sort of like it. I've just been playing around with the settings on the bike. It's literally like I'm playing a video game. I'm just messing around with the settings on the bike, figuring out what I like. And I've never really done that with a bike. On my DRZ, bro, I haven't touched the suspension. I haven't touched anything on that bike except the goddamn oil. That's the only thing I've done is oil changes and replace tires. I just want to like emphasize, try to ride safe. Like, as you know, for me, like in my past I've done some crazy riding, and as I matured and grow, I try to do it as safe as possible. Everyone's always like, yo, why aren't you going on ride outs, blah blah. I just try to be a more smarter rider, to be honest. You will catch me doing some stupid things every once in a while just because I get hyped. Because I get hyped up, bro. And hype is hell of a drug, bro. I'm telling you, when that adrenaline starts hitting, it's literally a drug, dude. And we're just swerving. But in some other good news, bro, check out that rear fender, bro. Whew, she is clean. Oh my god, bro, I got a whole tree in my back tire. What the hell? My bike's turning into a goddamn vine. Bro, look how many vines I got in here. What the hell? Bro, look how long that vine, oh my god, look how long that vine was. It was just stuck in my wheel. Like I was saying, bro, the freaking fender is looking beautiful, bro. I was like thinking, I was like, should I scrape it today? And then I was like, I just put it on today. Like, I don't want to freaking go through another fender in one day. So I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to keep it on like this for a little bit. And try not to scrape it, bro. I'm going on a ride out soon. So you guys are going to love that footy, I already know. And, yeah, I want to have a whole fender when I go on that ride out. I don't want to be looking like a goon. Holy boy, I'm pretty tired, bro. Alrighty, gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to stay motivated, stay safe out there. Stay safe out there is what I meant to say. So yeah, we have merch in the description down below. We posting bangers. We hit an 800K, bro. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, bro, it's unreal, bro, for real. I love you guys so much, MB gang. Even for my old viewers who are just coming back, welcome back, gang. We're going harder than ever right now, bro. So, and we ain't stopping, bro. All 2021 we're posting, bro. We're getting 1 million. we're just gonna keep getting better and better content. And yeah, bro, I'm excited, dude. I hope y'all are excited also. Y'all get to hear my freaking squeaky ass voice some more this year. Let's go. I love you guys. Stay motivated. All right, peace.